more big news that's coming in on this front. Now, the Delhi Coaching Institute tragedy, that is, cops will be putting MCD officials on notice. What we're given to understand is that Delhi police to question MCD officials, to quiz official tasked with drain upkeep. Remember, that's essentially what even the protesters were voicing out in terms of how the situation has been on the ground. You're looking at these visuals on your screens at the moment of what really caused that particular tragedy. And in this particular matter, we're given to understand now that the Delhi cops to question MCD officials, to quiz the officials tasked with the drain upkeep. Having said that, we have more breaking news that is coming in on that front. In fact, a big development as far as this entire matter that is concerned, with action that has now been taken in the Delhi Coaching Institute tragedy. 5 more have been arrested in connection to the tragedy, which essentially means that the total arrests in the case now are 7. Let's listen into that reaction and then we'll go across to Shivani.
हमने पहले 2 व्यक्ति गिरफ्तार किए थे और अब हमने 5 और लोगों को इस केस में गिरफ्तार किया है। इसमें 4 वो हैं जो इस बेसमेंट के ओनर्स थे और एक व्यक्ति वो है जो उस रोड से बहुत ही तेज़ गति से अपने गाड़ी को ले जाते हुए दिखा है, जिसके कारण उस बिल्डिंग के गेट का डैमेज होना देखा गया है। तो इस तरह इन 5 व्यक्तियों को और गिरफ्तार किया गया है। अब टोटल इसमें 7 लोग अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं और इसमें आगे अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन पूरी तरह प्रोफेशनली कंटिन्यू हो रहा है और जिसका भी इसमें रोल आएगा उस पर सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Shivani Mishra, of course, continues to stay with us. Shivani, we did hear what the DCP had to say, but having said that, what are we picking up with these 2 new arrests that have taken place? More importantly, in terms of what details we have about these people who have been arrested, because now the total number of arrests in this particular case stands at 7, Shivani.
Well, interestingly, I'll show you one video which is visible on our mobile phones, and here you will see one vehicle. See, I'll take you again through this vehicle. As this black car surpasses in the video, the driver of this vehicle has now been arrested by the police, as you can see. And the allegation that is leveled against him is that it was his car which was in a speed which led to the overflow of water which was locked here inside those basements, which led to the waterlogging inside the basement, and henceforth the students were stuck inside. So now these 5 arrests have taken place. One we have just shown you the video of, and apparently there are more people. Those are under the eyes of the police, and the searches are still going on to find out the causes of this incident, but clearly nobody is ready to take the responsibility. There were multiple complaints. In fact, you will see a few more visuals out here. As you can see here, there are more such visuals out there. Abbas, you can see here that they are saying that this is not one incident or this is not an accident, rather it is one murder, and those are the culprits. They should be punished. And of course we are seeing such posters one after another coming out, and they are saying that investigation is not going on a proper way, because arresting somebody who is riding a vehicle over here is not a right answer to this investigation. Rather, they should be investigating people, those had not cleared the manholes, or those basements. The surveys were done, but no action was taken, and that is why the responsibility comes over the shoulder of the MCD official, and henceforth, right.
Right, Shivani. Appreciate you getting us those latest details and also sharing us, sharing that particular video. In fact, in terms of this action that has come in the form of an arrest. But for the moment, we'd have to leave it at that. We're also slipping a quick break here on